Shillong witnessed a one-of-a-kind gala event as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma declared the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 open on Thursday night. The inaugural ceremony witnessed cultural displays of all northeastern states and Sikkim at the Nehru Ground, the venue of many disciplines. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma urged the youths to shun drugs and anti-social elements to channelize the energy for constructive activities so that they can excel in life. Among others, Mandira Bedi and Hima Das were star attractions. Hima Das spoke to DD News Shillong about her excitement for being part of this sporting event.
मतलब एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था इतना अच्छा बनेगा, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हुआ है और ट्रैक भी इतना अच्छा ट्रैक है। मैं बहुत आशा करती हूँ कि यंग जनरेशन इधर से बहुत आगे चला जाएगी।